Hi, this is Lars Pearson with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. We're standing on our Sailfish 245 Dual Console. Standing near back on the transom, you see we got our Yamaha 300 outboard on the back. Now walking through, we have a freshwater wash. You got your ski tow pylon, which goes easy to get out of the way. You have seating all around on this boat. You got your transom seat, you got a port fold-up seat, so it goes out of the way. And then your starboard seat also folds down. This one folds down like such. There's also a fish box in the floor. And also back here on the transom, you have your live well. Moving up, we have storage under all our seating. As well as a very large storage in the floor. That could be a ski locker, or you could use for your rods, or pretty much anything you want to throw down here, and it is lockable. On the port side, we have a very large head compartment with a sink and a nice little countertop, some storage areas under there as well. One thing to point out while we're under it is the fiberglass T-top, which also has speakers molded in, and our rod holders sitting on either side. At our helm station, we have an adjustable seat, which also has a flip-up thigh bolster. We have our Garmin chart plotter up here, as well as our Yamaha gauges, our Fusion stereo, a Garmin VHF, all our switches, trim tabs, and adjustable steering wheel. Moving up to the bow, as you can see on our powder-coated frame for our windshield. The windshield also closes to block the wind. Another thing to point out while we're at the windshield is that we have an isinglass enclosure which goes around the three sides of the boats, which can extend your summer either late into fall or started earlier in the spring. On this windshield we also have a windshield wiper. And to make the wind even better, we have our door right here, which closes. Up here in the bow, we have our forward seating, as well as storage or fish boxes, as well as some speakers up here, powder-coated grab rail for safety. And right up front in our bow, we have our windlass anchor system. Again, this is Lars Pearson here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey with MarineMax. This is our 245 Dual Console. Give us a call at 609-207-3325 and we'll be happy to show it to you.